AI was supposed to make work easier, but for a lot of students and professionals, it's doing the exact opposite. Researchers are starting to notice something they're calling AI brain fry. Let's be real here. AI is one of the biggest shifts in how we study and work since Google. Students are using it for everything. Essays, presentations, even emails to lecturers. And people at work are using it for reports, slides, strategy documents, emails, messages. But a lot of people are using it badly and a bit nervously. And instead of feeling smarter, they're ending up more overwhelmed and more mentally tired and less confident in their own thinking. So in this video, I'm going to show you what's actually happening. And at the end, I'll show you the one way that you can use AI that actually makes you less stressed and brain fried, not more. Let's imagine this is you. You're a perfectly capable individual, smart, motivated, slightly sleep deprived. You open your laptop, look at the essay, report, presentation, or email you need to write and think, right, I just need a bit of help getting started.
Hello, I have 47 ideas. Here is a summary. Here is a counterargument. Here is a critique. Here is a critique of the critique. Here are 3 more frameworks. Would you like a 1,000-word report, a revised report, a better report, a deeper report, a more critical thesis?
I haven't even written the first one yet.
Excellent. Here are 9 new sources.
I just wanted help starting.
Excellent. Here are 9 new sources.
I'm going to become a farmer. And if that sounds dramatic, it's really not. Research is starting to find that heavy AI use can actually increase mental fatigue and decision overload. When AI gives you 10 different directions, 10 arguments, 20 sources, your brain now has to sort through all of them. That's cognitive load. And cognitive load, as any parent will tell you, is exhausting. Researchers studying AI and productivity are finding something interesting. When people outsource too much thinking, they actually feel more mentally drained, not less. They take longer to make decisions and they make more mistakes. And people are reporting something interesting too. They're using AI more than ever. But many say they feel less confident in their own understanding. So if you've ever opened AI, got 20 suggestions, and somehow ended up more stuck than before, or on the verge of a mild existential crisis, you're not imagining it. That is the brain fry problem. This happens for 3 reasons. 1, AI multiplies decisions. You ask one question and it gives you 10 possible directions, and now your brain has to evaluate all 10. 2, AI removes the learning struggle. That moment where you sit with a question and think, okay, how do I explain this? That struggle is actually where learning happens. 3, AI makes everything look polished. And when you compare your messy draft with AI's polished text, your confidence drops. You just think, my work looks awful compared to that. But here's the important part. The problem isn't AI itself, it's how people are using it. This is the rule I give all my clients. Use AI for thinking support, not thinking replacement. Bad use. Explain the entire theory. Better use. Tell me if my explanation makes sense. Bad use. Write this client email for me. Better use. Make this email clearer and more concise without changing my point. Bad use. Generate arguments. Better use. Which of my arguments is strongest?
Hello again. Shall I write yours?
No thanks. Just check if my argument is clear.
This is an unexpectedly healthy use of AI.
Look, AI can be an incredible tool, but it can be addictive and it's not very environmentally friendly. It should make you a better thinker, not replace your thinking or make you second guess your own opinion. If you're feeling overwhelmed by assignments, dissertations, work writing or presentations, or even just how to use AI without getting lost in it, that's exactly the kind of thing I help people work through. I work one-to-one with students and professionals on structuring writing, clarifying arguments, improving presentations, and figuring out how you can use tools like AI without losing the plot. You can find me using the link below if you'd like to work together. And if you want more videos from me, go on, give me a subscribe. I post every week. I'm Amy from the Edit Lab, and I'll see you in the next one.